Dear friends and followers, in today's Tech Talk, we take a sneak peek into the amazing and interesting world of forensic audit, and let us quickly grasp what are the professional opportunities for forensic auditors. In 2001, the whole world was shocked with the Enron scam. The Sarbanes-Oxley Act of 2002 was introduced, which, among others, hinted towards a better corporate governance, having stronger internal controls, introducing accountability on the auditors, independent directors, and so on. After a number of years in India, we had the Satyam scam in 2009, which shook the very base of corporate governance in India. The government was quick to react, retaliated with a host of reforms, starting with the Companies Act 2013. Section 447 of the Companies Act 2013 was introduced, which sets out the definition of fraud and the impact, the penalty for fraudulent behavior. Section 143, subsection 12 of the Companies Act deals with the auditor's responsibility of fraud reporting. In spite of that, there were certain undesirable failures of corporate governance, nefarious activities within the boardroom, certain undesirable toxic nexus between corporate management, suppliers, brokers, and whatnot. As a result, the regulators expressed their deep concerns. SEBI, RBI, the Central Board of Direct Taxes, the Enforcement Directorate, Central Bureau of Investigation, SFIO, all expressed their concern about what was happening around. A special category of professionals, forensic auditors, were high in demand. Chartered accountants qualify as one of the most promising forensic auditors. The way we are groomed in our career, chartered accountants understand financial statements, corporate law, internal controls, corporate governance. As a result, we are the best, perhaps, in investigating fraudulent patterns, behavior, and last but not the least, with the advent of technology, chartered accountants are using the latest cutting-edge tools involving artificial intelligence, data analytics, predicting behavioral patterns, fraudulent instances, identifying red flags, and unearthing financial manipulations, related party transactions, tax evasion cases. The ICAI has formulated more than 20 standards on forensic audit. Perhaps this is the first time in the world that a country has its own set of forensic accounting standards. These are known as FAIS, Forensic Accounting and Investigation Standards. The standards were introduced in 2020, and from the 1st of July 2023, the ICAI has mandated the use of these standards. So now the standards are enforceable. These FAIS are to be used at the ground level by forensic auditors. So there's a lot of work flowing into the hand of forensic auditors. Forensic due diligence, internal control reviews, testing of IT controls, cyber security cases, and when an actual fraud happens, the work of the investigation is quite frequently handed over to chartered accountants who are empaneled with the CBI, the ED, the SFIO, and other regulators. So young professionals might consider specializing in the area of forensic audit, taking their career to the next level, working both with industry, with the multinational firms, Indian firms, or they can even think of starting their own practice. There's also a huge opportunity, a scope of corporate training in the world of forensic audit, internal controls. Why? Because very frequently the regulators request training programs to be conducted by competent professionals in this particular sector, which involves internal controls, corporate governance, risk management, forensic due diligence, research, use of technology in detecting fraudulent patterns, and so on. So this could be food for thought for the right professionals who feel they're aligned to take up these type of interesting professional assignments in their career. That's all for today. Thank you.